Hi guys, in today's tutorial, we are going to make a solid granny square coin purse. So if you want to know how I did this, please keep on watching. Happy hooking! The materials that we need are the following. I will use blue acrylic yarn. You can also use cotton yarn if you want to, and any color of your choice. We will use 3mm crochet hook, solid granny square. You can see lots of tutorials here in YouTube on how to make a solid granny square. Scissor, beads, one only, stitch marker, and needle. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Now, get your solid granny square. Again, you can see a tutorial, lots of tutorials on how to make these solid granny squares here in YouTube. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So we will fold our work like this. Again, square. And then fold our work like that to make it a coin purse. So first we are going to sew here, okay? I mean, we are going to make a single crochet in each stitch. So what we're going to do is get your stitch marker and then place it on where the sides of the square is, like that. And then, so guys, it's up to you how many rounds your solid granny square is. So mine is 7 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to have a big coin purse, you can add more rounds. So it's totally up to you. So in going back, get your slip stitch. Yep. And then your crochet hook. So place your hook here in both loops like so. Okay. And then get your yarn. And then chain of 1. Chain of 1 is not included in the count. Now, we will make single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch. So the first single crochet we will make in the same stitch there, and the next again both loops. And then now we can cut the tail. And then 2 single crochet where the sides of the square is. We will make 2 single crochet. Or make it 3. No, 2. Okay, 2 single crochet. So now we are done with the other side, and then in this side now to the other side. And then again we will make 1 single crochet in the other side, where the sides of here, as you can see. Sorry, it's hard to describe. There, 1 single crochet, and then again single crochet, 1 single crochet in every stitch here. And there, and then in the last, and then chain of 1 and cut the excess or fasten off. Now, as you can see, we're done. It's almost done, I mean. And then hide the tail. Get your needle. And then we will just sew this inside. And then cut the excess. And now what we're going to do is we will make single crochet here for the closing of our coin purse. Okay, so now guys, we are done joining the other sides of our granny square. So next step, we will insert our hook here where the side of the square is, here on the left side, and then get your yarn and then chain off one, and then single crochet in the same stitch. So we will make single crochet in every stitch until we reach the side of the square at the top. Okay, so guys, I'll get back to you once I reach the side of the square. Now we reach the area of the sides of the square. So next, insert our hook in that space and then chain off one, and then make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then add 2 more to make it 8 chains there, and then single crochet in the same space. So this will be served as the closing. This is for the beads. And then again, single crochet in each stitch until we reach the sides of the square here. Okay, you can see the hole, so that's the sides of the square, and then fasten off. Okay, so guys, I'll get back to you once we're done in this single crochet. Again, single crochet in every stitch, and then fasten off. And then once you reach the sides, we can slip stitch here where the first single crochet is. Slip stitch and then chain of one and fasten off. And now get your beads here. So we are going to sew it here. Oops. So we are going to sew, oops, here in the center. So get your yarn, your needle. So we are just going to sew here under the single crochet earlier, the joining of single crochet. Oops. And then insert your needle here, and then the beads, and then here, like so. And then cut the excess. Here is the final look of our solid granny square coin purse. It's very easy to make, guys. I hope you will give it a try. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to click the bell button to be notified. Again, thank you for watching, guys. Bye!